At Regal Town Planners, we help clients secure, develop, and monetize their land. We have an experience of 30 plus years and we have developed 8,000 plus acres of land. We have delivered 500 plus projects working 200 plus acres as land aggregator. Single window solution for all the land problems at RLC. The Regal Land Clinic is the new concept we have developed.
Hello everyone, I'm Sheetal Nawal, founder at Aposh, a lifestyle design studio. Behind every great planner is a strong force that holds it all together. Today's guest is that power, balancing people, projects, and vision with strength and grace. Daughter of an IT commissioner rooted in deep discipline, and a woman who blends work, family, and spirituality beautifully. Please welcome Mrs. Shilpa Dilip Mehta from Regal Town Planners Private Limited to She Builds. Welcome, Mrs. Shilpa Mehta, ma'am, to our
Thank
show
you
She
so much,
Builds.
Sheetal. Thank
It's
you.
pleasure having you on set.
Same here.
मैम आप एक टाउन प्लानर के विजन के पीछे एक सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग सिस्टम है. यू आर द मेन पर्सन हु इज होल्डिंग इट ऑल टुगेदर. सो आप अपने इस रोल को किस तरह से डिस्क्राइब करेंगे?
Just go on and build upon. कुछ weather changes आते हैं जैसे it's connected to climate also. Like कभी धूप होती है, कभी बारिश होती है, कभी ठंड आती है. जैसे मौसम
सब
बदलते रहते हैं.
रहते हैं.
तो वैसे ही अपने जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ रोज बदल होता ही है. कभी वेदर एकदम प्लेजेंट है तो कभी सडनली बहुत गर्मी है. तो वैसे ही हमने अपने लाइफ को बनाना चाहिए एंड जस्ट बहते रहना चाहिए. जैसे वक्त
Wow,
के साथ हम लोग आगे बढ़े. बस
wow,
वो ही
beautifully put
एक.
this.
यस वो
Take
एक.
life as it comes.
यस यस
Go with the flow.
एब्सोल्युटली
Beautifully, you've put this.
एब्सोल्युटली.
What is town planning all about?
Town planning is just as an architect designs a building. Here he has to design acres of land, the whole society, the roads, the pathways, the lights, the open space, and government has some norms for this. There are laws for this, and put everything in the laws, get approved from government, and then it comes on paper. This is
Okay, okay. So this is the process
town
that goes
planning.
about, and this is way beyond just not a building,
Building.
but
It's
the
about
complete town
area.
as such, a
Yeah,
very huge area.
yeah.
Wow, that is a challenging one, an elaborate one. Ma'am, as our families have known since long each other, and I have always seen you कि आप एक जो joint family background से है, and you're always on toes for your family members. कभी चाची, कभी बहू, always you are on that thing. How do you manage? Equally आप work में इतना busy भी रहते हो, तो how do you manage your family and work commitments?
This all comes with time. Like there is a time when you have to do hard work. Hard work can lead you to smart work. And if you just start smart work, you'll get stuck up somewhere.
Correct.
So undergoing the process from hard work to smart
To
work.
smart work.
This is what everyone should understand.
Exactly.
कि you just can't get everything in a
Especially
day.
the Gen Z अभी जो है.
Yes, everything can't come in a day. You have to go with the process and analyze yourself. What went wrong? What went right? What should be the way I should have gone? And then your mind gets that wired, and then automatically it goes to smart work. That's
Wow,
about it.
beautifully
Yeah.
put this. Self-analyzing yourself, keep analyzing, and hard work is the key.
Yeah, there is no alternative to hard work, is what I feel.
Wonderful. मैम आप एक आईटी कमिश्नर की बेटी है,
Yeah, adaptive.
एंड सो श्योरली बचपन से आप एक डिसिप्लिन वाले माहौल में रहे हुए हैं. सो हाउ हैज दैट अपब्रिंगिंग एंड जो डिसिप्लिन वाला माहौल हैज शेप्ड योर मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स टुडे?
I was lucky enough. Till my teenage years, I was with my parents.
Okay.
But as he had a transfer job, after 10th standard, we had to stay with our grandparents.
Okay.
So me and my sister staying with my grandparents, and we saw this life also, and the work they did also. They dedicatedly had their terms and they went that way also. Like, so I was lucky enough to get both the sides of the coin. So I just apply it whenever whatever is needed, and that works for me. Yeah.
Wonderful. So Dada Dadi and
And
Papa Mummy
Papa Mummy.
दोनों की
Yeah.
छत्र छाया.
Yes,
Wonderful.
yes.
मैम इतने सालों में जो आपको मैंने हमेशा देखा है देयर इज अ सेरेनिटी इन योर फेस ऑलवेज, एक कामनेस है, एक पॉजिटिविटी रहती है हमेशा. सो इसका क्रेडिट आप किसको देते हैं? आई नो यू आर योगा पर्सन एंड माइंडफुल ईटिंग होती है आपकी, तो किस चीज़ को आप क्रेडिट देना चाहेंगे?
This is all in one. You need to be conscious about health, about your practice, about your spirituality all together. But what I followed was the three P's in my life. First was my purpose. I found what was my purpose of life. I worked on it. Then I prioritized my work. Prioritize the thing, what is essential at that moment. And after that, I had patience. It didn't work one day, it didn't work 2 days, but someday it will work. So, patience was the key, and that leads to my inner peace.
Wonderful.
So, the fourth alternative is you should be peaceful and prioritize patience,
And purpose.
and purpose is the main. Yeah,
Wow. You are so clear and defined 3 P's of life.
three P's of life.
Ma'am, your most memorable town planning project?
Yes, the most memorable town planning was a recent one where we did an 89-acre plan of Rustam Ji Belavi project at Shahpur. That
Wonderful.
that was and we have done near about 8,000 acres of planned developments. This was the
That's a huge number.
yeah, and it was very close, and we did it in timeline, so it was a perfect plan which we had put. Yeah.
Wow, that's commendable. एक mindset shift जिसने आपकी लाइफ को completely transform कर दिया.
What I have seen is कि हम लोग जब अपने से छोटे बच्चों के साथ younger students, we can call Gen Zs also, जब हम Gen Zs के साथ बातचीत करते हैं और उनका way of thinking देखते हैं, तो we can see the future, and that makes a shift in our thinking. और जब हम थोड़े ओल्डर पीपल के साथ होते हैं तो उनका जो रूटेडनेस और ये जो है ये सब हमको लाइफ में लाना चाहिए. एंड द यंगर पीपल गिव अस अ विजन. एवरी पर्सन हैज टू चेंज सम और द अदर टाइम, ब्रिंग द चेंज इन हिज लाइफ. वक्त के साथ बदलना ये बहुत बड़ी वक्त की जरूरत है, एंड ये वक्त की जरूरत को हम अगर समझे पर उसके साथ अपने रूट्स को जो है हम फर्मली अटैच रहे, तो हम लोग ये सब चीज अचीवेबल है और लाइफ में हम खूब आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
वंडरफुल. तो मैम आपने ये सिर्फ एक माइंडसेट शिफ्ट नहीं बताया, आपने एक लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग फॉर्मूला बता दिया है. सो लर्निंग फ्रॉम द जेन जी, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू कीप रूटेड टू व्हाट
ओल्डर पीपल थिंक. या
परफेक्ट. एक चीज जो आप खुद के यंगर सेल्फ को अगर बोलना चाहेंगे तो वो क्या होगा?
यंगर सेल्फ को मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि डेडिकेशन इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग. हम वक्त के आगे भागते रहते हैं, बट हम बी इन द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट. ये चीज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कहीं तो मेरे से मिस आउट हो गई. आई यूज टू थिंक ऑफ फ्यूचर मोर, and be in the present was what I missed. And so yes, that's what I'll tell to myself.
Wow, that has been very honest. And ma'am, I feel it's just not you. Everyone is in this race, including me, and this is a reminder call for me too. Ma'am, let us know more about Regal Town Planner Private Limited's work.
At Regal Town Planners, we help clients secure, develop, and monetize their land confidently. We have an experience of 30 plus years, and we have developed 8,000 plus acres of land. We have delivered 500 plus projects, and we are working 200 plus acres as land aggregator.
In the next 5 years, say by 2030, where do you see Regal Town Planners?
Working internationally and making its name there.
Internationally.
Yeah.
That's again something very achievable with the team and the bond that you have with your husband. And now you have the second generation stepping into your business, your son and your nephews. Wonderful job, and we are keen to see legal planners out there doing work internationally
Yep.
soon and very soon. Ma'am, recently you've come up with some new concept of land clinic, I believe.
Yeah.
Can I know more about this?
Yes, we have developed a single window solution for all the land problems, and at RLC, the Regal Land Clinic is the new concept we have developed, in which other than town planning work, with the experience gained, we have developed this concept.
Wow, Regal
Land Clinic, yeah.
RLC.
Yeah.
Wow, waiting to hear more about these. Well, if I say AI को एक दिन के लिए आपका अगर पर्सनल को प्लानर बना दे, तो what task would you want it to do for you?
Oh wow, I would give him all the scanning to be done, get all the records, land records which need for the documentation and which is very time consuming. Get all the fairfar, how has the land rotated from the owners. That is a difficult task. I'll give it to him.
Wow,
Yeah.
so AI would simplify your
Yes,
all these works.
yes.
Ma'am, let's get on to a rapid fire round now. एक word जो आपकी टीम आपके लिए use करती है.
Compass,
Sure.
show the direction.
Wonderful. Stress buster after a long time.
Singing,
एक town जिसे आप plan करना चाहेंगे.
Bruges in Belgium.
आपके husband की एक quality जो आप हमेशा admire करती है.
Calmness,
आपके अंदर की एक quality जिसे आप पर आपको सबसे ज्यादा गर्व है.
adaptability,
एक मैनेजमेंट मंत्र जो आप हमेशा फॉलो करते हैं.
delegate the work.
अगर लाइफ एक सिटी हो तो आप क्या होती? रोड्स, लाइट्स या बिल्डिंग्स?
Lights,
जब आपको कोई टफ डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है तो आप सबसे ज्यादा किस पे रिलाई करते हैं? इंट्यूशन या फिर लॉजिक?
I think combination of both. Yeah.
व्हाट प्रोडक्ट कम्स टू योर माइंड व्हेन आई से अपोश कीर्ति टाइल्स?
Natural stones.
एक हैबिट जो आपको हमेशा ग्राउंडेड रखती है.
My morning journal, gratitude journal. Yeah.
शिल्पा मैम, यू आर एन एविड रीडर, काफी बुक्स आप पढ़ते रहते हैं. सो विच इज द रीसेंट बुक दैट यू आर रीडिंग नाउ?
The Five Types of Wealth by Sahil Bloom. This has changed my perspective. Yeah.
Thank you, Mrs. Shilpa Mehta, for joining us on this podcast. And it was great knowing about Regal Town Planners Private Limited, its journey, and what town planning is all about. Thank you for all your valuable insights. And so here we conclude our podcast today with Mrs. Shilpa Mehta, Director at Regal Town Planners Private Limited. Stay tuned for the next one.